Hey guys, it's Henry090000, and I have not been on Animal Jam for a long time, just because I was on vacation with my family for a week, so I wasn't able to record, and I'm trying to catch up on my the other YouTube channels I watch, which are like Good Mythical Morning, Super Carlin Brothers, Apari, Pepper, and Wisteria Moon. And if you haven't heard, Scorm is now on AJ. And if you did not know, see this news thing right up here? That means I have an update that I'm going to tell you about. The Hearthstone has been returned, and sloths have come to visit Jamaa. Wait, sorry, I read that wrong. I read visit too early. What? No, I'm not taking. Okay, how dare you interrupt my video? Okay, sloths have come to Jamaa, visit the diamond shop, and become one of these amazing animals today. I'm gonna do that. No, I said no, I'm not accepting that. Okay, well, I'm going to go buy a sloth. Okay, I'm just gonna go do that. Okay, let's go buy a sloth. Sloths I think they're gonna be pretty cool because I've already seen the update on some other channels. Okay, I don't have a lot of diamonds. See, I only have 6. So I always name every single one of my animals Doctor. From Doctor Who. I love Doctor Who. Please say in the comments if you like Doctor Who. It's clever. And okay, clever claws. Okay, that should work. Okay. Wow. Okay. Let's make this animal look snazzy, because that thing just, okay. Okay. It's gonna have okay, let's see, what do I have for yeah, I know I can either have that. Well, actually, let's just see what pattern this looks. Oh, that looks snazzy. That just looks snazzy. Okay. No, but I think I like this. I got a mohawk. Oh, that looks snazzy. Or maybe that. Okay. Honestly, I really like that big bright idea hat. Oh, wow. Wow, that puke green, I do not like that. Oh, wow, no, not pink. Just not pink. Red, white, and blue. How about some of that? Red, white, and blue. Ooh. It's gonna go fire. Lightning. I'm gonna go like that. Think that should be fine. Red, white, and blue. And then let's see. Collar maybe? No, also a tie. That looks pretty snazzy. Don't you think? That looks quite snazzy actually. A blanket? No. Not sure. My guitar? How about no, sorry, I can't put it with monkeys. How about some wings? No, you're just not gonna have a back item. Shoes. Oh, a spiked wristband. Oh. I think I'm gonna have to go with a spiked wristband. And you don't even have a tail. Actually, no, I'm not giving you a spiked wristband. Nope. Okay. Actually, I don't like that light bulb on my head. I just don't. I don't know why. That doesn't look like... Okay. Maybe like that. Okay, that looks better. Now let's see what this sloth can do. Well, it moves quite weird, and it's actually slower than the Arctic wolf, it seems like. Here, let's just have a test. And I have this Arctic wolf face me. No, they left. Okay, let's ask the monkey. Race me, monkey. Respond. Okay, well, while we're waiting for them to respond, let's check out what actions. Well, it dances. Whoa, what in the world is that? What is that? That's just something. That is not a dance, Animal Jam. What have you done to the sloth? Okay, that is nothing. I don't know who dances like that. Animal Jam HQ, I just don't know. Okay, sleeping looks pretty lovely, actually. Pretty cute. It's hop. Okay. Well, that's something I never want to see. It's jump rope. It's jump rope. That was totally taken off of the octopus. That's the octopus thing. Wow. Well, okay, that seems pretty normal. Nice sloth fly. Seems pretty fine. Here, let's try one more time. Race me llama. Race me llama. Race me llama. Oh well. Okay. So, trade me, please. Be fair. Be fair. I'll be fair. I'll be fair. Okay. Let's just get to the rest of the update, shall we? Okay. Did you hear that sound? No, I didn't. I really didn't. It must be pet hummingbirds. The awesome flying pets that have returned to Jama. Returned. Like it said, it's returned, so it's not that cool. Princess outfit. This beautiful outfit comes in 5 pieces. It is the perfect for any jam who wants to feel like a princess. Honestly, I do not like princesses, and I have never liked princesses. Well, maybe cool action shows about princesses, but not really. And hummingbirds are kind of cool. It's just, yeah. Jam and Days in July. I love summer. Don't make summer. Okay. Hashtag Animal Jam wants to make summer go away. Okay. Animal Jam wants to make summer go away. If you need a break from the summer heat, check your party list on July 24th and 28th for the Jam and Day Jam. Jam's awesome celebration. While you're partying at the Jam and Day Jam, adopt a reindeer. But reindeers can't Jam. Animal Jam, do you know nothing about animals? Okay. What? Well, no one goes to Graham's workshop anyway. So that, and yes, we already knew about this. It's quite annoying, actually, Animal Jam. So, kangaroos. I've never had one of those before. Oh, I really want one of those. And cheetahs aren't here anymore. Well, I don't have a cheetah anyway, so, and no one cares about that. So, let's see. What's the last thing? Well, that's it for the update video. And, just jam on and goodbye.